All right, geometry. Here's quickly the Desmos activity answers. I'm going over them. Some people seem to want that, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. This is a triangular prism, so the triangles are our bases. So the formula is pH plus 2b for the surface area. So the P is the perimeter of the base. That'd be 9 plus 12 plus 15. We'll multiply that by the height of the prism, which is 25. I'm going to add that to 2 times the area of the base. The area of the base would be 1/2 times 9 times 12. Because it's a triangle, 1/2 base times height. It doesn't matter if you do 1/2 times 12 times 9, it's all the same. So it'll be 9 plus 12 plus 15 is 36. I'm going to multiply that by the 25. And I get 900 plus 2 and the 1/2 cancel because 2 times 1/2 is just 1. 9 times 12 is 108. So 900 plus 108 is 1008. That's your answer for number 1. Number 2, another triangular prism, same thing. So I got 3 plus 4 plus 5 for my perimeter of the base times the height, which is 8, plus 2 times the area of the base. Again, 1/2 times the base times the height, so we'll pick 3 for our base here and 4 for our height. Again, these 2 times 1/2 is just 1, so I have 3 times 4 is 12. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12 times 8, that's 96, plus 12 is 108. That's your answer for number 2. Number 3, I have to find the surface area of this prism again. This time it's a rectangular prism. This is your base right here. I can't draw on it, I guess. Your base is that bottom rectangle that's 45 by 25, okay? That is your base. So, again, pH, so that'd be perimeter would be 45 plus 45 plus 25 plus 25, just adding up all those sides of that base rectangle. Multiply that by the height, which is 15, plus 2 times the area of the base, 2 times 45 times 25. That's length times width for a rectangle to find the area of the base. 45 plus 45 plus 25 plus 25 is 140 times 15 is 2100. And 45 times 25 is 1125. Times 2 is 2250. So 2250 plus 2100 is 4350, which is your answer for that one. Next, we have find the surface area of this prism. So that's number 4. Again, same thing, rectangular prism. My base is, it doesn't matter which one's my base is. I'm going to choose that 13 by 2 rectangle, 13 by 2 rectangle to be my base. So I have the P is the perimeter. P is the perimeter of the base. So 13 plus 13 plus 2 plus 2. Multiply that by the height, which is 7. That's the distance between the two bases, right? Height is just the distance between the two bases, plus 2 times the area of the base, which would be 13 times 2, which is an easy 26. 2 times 26, which ends up being 52. 13 plus 13 is 26, plus 4 is 30, times 7 is 210. So 210 plus 52 is 262. That should be your answer for the surface area, pH plus 2b. Next, number 5. Same thing, rectangular prism. 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7 is my perimeter. Multiply that by 13. Plus 2 times the area of the base. The area of the base is just 9 times 7, which is 63. So 2 times 63 gives me 126. And 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7 is 32 times 13, which is 416. I'm going to add to that 126, and that gives me 542 for the answer. Number 6, find the volume. Volume, that was volume for the last one. Oh, I did surface area. Let's redo number 5 then. Volume is equal to the area of the base times the height. It's even easier than what we did. 9 times 7 is the area of the base times the height of 13 would be 63 times 13. think some of us made that same mistake in class. It's okay. Centimeters cubed, right? Because it's volume. There we go. That's number 5. Number 6. Same thing, volume, but I have a triangular prism, so the triangles are my bases. I need to do 1/2 times 5 times 4 in order to find the area of the base, multiply that by the height, which is 9. Area of the base multiplied by the height gives me my volume. So 1/2 times 5 times 4, multiply that by 9, gives me 90 millimeters cubed, right, for volume. Number 7. Find the volume of this guy. Again, it's a triangular prism. The triangles are my bases. So I got to find the area of the base. 1/2 times 6. 6 is one of the sides. The other side is also 6. 1/2 times 6 times 6 is the area of my base. Multiply that by the distance between the bases, or the height as we call it. Give us 36 divided by 2. Times 9 is 18 times 9. It's 162 you should get when you multiply those things out. Number 8, it says the area of my trapezoid is 70. So if I want a volume, I got to do area of the base, which is the trapezoid. So I just have 70 as my area of the base. They gave it to me. Times the distance between them is 12. So 70 times 12 is all I got to do for this one. 70 times 12, that gives me 840. That'd be centimeters cubed. Number 9. We're getting there, peeps. It gives me that my area of my base is 8, multiplied by the distance between them, or the height, is 20. That's just going to give me 160 centimeters cubed for my volume. Easy peasy. Number 10. Find the volume. Volume is equal to 1/3, right, times the area of the base, times the height. The height they gave us is 9. Easy peasy. Area of the base is 8 times 8, because it's a square. Right, just side times side. So 1/3 times 64. So gives me 192 centimeters cubed when you multiply all that out. Centimeters cubed. Number 11. Same thing. V is equal to 1/3. Make sure when you have a cone or a pyramid, you're doing 1/3 area of the base times the height. So 8 times 5 is my area of the base, since it's a rectangle this time, times the height, which is 9. Should be 120 meters cubed. That's your answer. Number 11, or number 12, sorry. Find the volume of this pyramid. Volume is equal to 1/3 area of the base. What's the area of the base? It's a triangle. It's a triangular pyramid, right? So I have to do 1/2 times 3 times 4. That's the area of my triangle, right? Area of base, which is a triangle, times the height, which is 5. Okay, so 1/3 times 1/2. So that would be 1/3 of 30 is, did I do that right? 12 times, yeah, 60 divided by 2 is 30. It is 20, or 10, sorry. 10 meters cubed is my volume. Number 13. Find the volume. This is a cylinder, so volume is equal to pi r squared, because my base is a circle, times the height. So pi times 8 squared times the height of 15. So that'd be 64 times 15. Multiply that by pi, and you get 3015.93-ish centimeters cubed. Around that to 0.9 if you want. But pi r squared times the height is how you find the volume of a cylinder. Same thing for 14. V is equal to pi times, this will be 1.5, right? Because that my diameter is 3. So 1.5 squared times the height of 4. So 1.5 squared is 2.25. Multiply that by 4. Multiply that by pi. And you get 28.3. That's in yards cubed. Okay, pi r squared times the height. And lastly, for a cone, we got to do 1/3 pi r squared times the height. 1/3 pi, radius is 4 because the The diameter is 8, 4 squared by r squared times the height of 9. So that should be, when you type that in, should be about 150.8. And that's in feet cubed. And last one, last but not least, we have number 16, which is where we find the volume of this cone, which the volume is 1/3 times pi times 18 squared, radius squared, times 28, which is my height. So divided by 3 is 9,500.2. That's in centimeters cubed. So hopefully that helps you with Desmos activity. Please email me with questions or come in early if you would like to be ready for the quiz tomorrow.